What? No! Flash flood warning!
Flash flood warning. For the following
Oh, no.
Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Western Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 12:15 a.m. At 9:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hermitage, Sharon, Oil City, Franklin, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, New Wilmington, Mercer, Pulaski, Hassan Heights, Stoneboro, Seneca, New Bedford, West Middlesex, Hoke, Sandy Lake, Clark, and Wheatland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
And of course, I haven't said all the times on my videos due to the power outage yesterday.
Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.